Hey, how you doing? Austin here. This is a latest and greatest Dogecoin update. This is a crazy, crazy day, but I think we're coming back. I think that the overall downturn in the entire crypto market has definitely started to kind of minimize, and we're looking like we're getting some positive signs to come back. So Doge is back to right around 38, 39 cents as of right now. We're going to take a look at that. We're going to look at the overall crypto market. And look at some other crypto and just kind of get a feel for what is going on. Why is all this happening? I do believe firmly that this is all kind of predicated and related to the China situation that developed yesterday. So we'll chat about that. We're going to do all that in this video. This is an update for Doge. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor nor a stockbroker. Invest at your own risk as well as public service. In the comments below, if there's anybody who looks like me, got my little picture, trying to get you to go over to WhatsApp or do any kind of weird stuff or contact them, that's not me. I never ask you to contact me in any way, shape, form, or fashion via any kind of mechanism, okay? So do not interact with those guys. They're con artists and scammers. They're on my channel by default because you guys have helped this channel to grow with your support, so thank you for that so much. I genuinely, truly want to thank you for the support, the voice that you've given me. I promise I'm going to continue to bring you updates and keep you updated on all things going on with Doge as well as the overall crypto market. Here we go. So as you can see, I want to start off here looking at the overall crypto market. And so earlier this morning, whenever I did my videos, Bitcoin was down 39-40+%. Ethereum was down. This was like $2,000. So I mean, we're absolutely coming back. You can see in the last hour we're up positive here. We're definitely starting to kind of make a run back. And again, so we've come back 30 points on Bitcoin. We've come back probably 28 to 25 points on Ethereum, etc. Doge was down 45% or something like that. It's come back and staged a pretty nice rally, still down about 4.5% over right now, but again, looking good. Cardano looking good. So overall, we are trending in the right direction. Okay, that's really what I want you to know right now. If you look at kind of the price action for Doge, again, we're at 39 cents, 39.8, if you would, 17.3 down. Again, we're staging some nice recovery there. Our low has been 24-hour low, 24-hour high. Our low has been 21, and our high has been 68. I did do some due diligence, and yes, we did hit a high of 68 cents. That's absolutely crazy. So much spike in volatility and movement we've had. Look, I mean, that's 47 cents overall movement in the last 24 hours. Crazy. Okay, 7 days, you can see, let me refresh this real quick. In 7 days, you can see from the charting action, which is what I like to look at, it shows you kind of a really our significant dip down here, coming back up and kind of moving forward from there. Okay, I think again, this has nothing to do with Doge, right? Bottom line, everything that's going on is kind of the overall market conditions and everything that is transpiring. So let me show you. Let's go to Yahoo Finance and real quickly take a look at that. I'll show you what I'm talking about. And really, I haven't looked at this. So yeah, look, you've got overall kind of really blood red going on here. NASDAQ down 76, which actually is positive. We were down, I think, over 200, about 170 points earlier. Dow was down crazy. But it looks bad, but it's starting to come back a little bit. I mean, I think we'll probably still end up in the red for the overall day. We'll see how it transpires. This is just kind of overall market conditions. And if you look at it again, let's refresh here. You've got these things starting to kind of pull back and come back from this major dip that we had. Again, this morning, Ethereum was right at around $2,000. Okay, Bitcoin hit a low. Let's see, what was the Bitcoin low? Where is it? Yeah, 24-hour low. Let's see. Apologize. I don't usually use this one for charting, things like that. We can look at on the other one. Basically, it was down. It was down to, I think, around 33,000 or so, something like that. It was definitely down and definitely continuing to come back. Okay, so let me go back real quickly on that. Come on, go back. There we go. Okay, so again, looking at overall, now we're at 40 cents. So we're staging a comeback. That's all I got to do is go on video and things start to go positive. Of course, I'm kidding, right? Okay. If we look at the chart, so right now, The chart's showing some action here. We're currently dipped below that 20-day moving average. I would like to get us back there. I think that this tip has absolutely nothing to do with Doge. It has to do with the overall correction and kind of down scenario we've got with China coming out yesterday, banning crypto as the official payment from institutions not being able to do it. You had that go global. If you go to just looking on Google, you had that kind of roll out global, right? So if you look at when really what I'm looking at here is the news outlets themselves. You've got major news outlets coming out: Wall Street Journal, CNN, Yahoo Finance. You've got coming out everything kind of going on. And it's just been crazy. Bloomberg, Market Watch, it's global, right? My point to you is that the overall crypto market is being impacted by, what's going on right at this second, okay? And overall, I think that this is a buying opportunity if you are looking at picking up, if you believe fundamentally in Doge long term, right? And you want to be involved in it long term, this is a buying opportunity. I frankly did not see us back at these levels. We had really established our support level at the high 40s, low 50-cent range, and now we've seemed to kind of, again, we've hit this drop, but you had this drop impact every single other crypto out there. It's really what had happened. It absolutely just, again, this morning it was all red. It was 40 plus percent in this 24-hour column. By the way, Digital Coin Price is the website that I use. It's free. You go here and we're looking at the top 100. It gives you a really good feel for what the heck is going on in the overall market scenario. If you want to read about this China ban, just you can just type in China bans crypto into any Google or any search engine, and you can find this article. I've showed this article a couple times on my channel here, but bottom line, this is a scenario that's playing out that is specifically I think related to that event and the overall fear, uncertainty, and doubt that is kind of leached into the marketplace. There's your word of the day: leech. There you go. Multiple uses of that word. So again, my point is this: make good decisions. Don't necessarily sell off don't sell low, right? This is one of those things where take a step back. Look, this is not investment advice. Take a step back, take your emotion out of it, and kind of say, okay, I'm good. And it takes a good investor to recognize when to buy in. These are really, really good buying in levels. If you want to continue to be involved in the crypto market, there's some other really good buys here as well at these price points, because we are down dramatically across the board, okay? And I'll just real quickly tell you some of the ones I like. I do like Bitcoin. I like Ethereum. Tether has really weathered really nicely. Look at this. It has almost had no impact. In fact, it's moved up in market cap, so it needs significantly. Cardano is a good one. Obviously, Doge. XRP is a very, very good one. Litecoin, Chainlink, Polygon, and Ethereum Classic VE Chain. If I did not mention one, if I passed over your favorite, it's not because I don't like it. It's because that I haven't really dove too deep into it. I don't know what the utility is. I don't know the use cases and things like that. And I just, but those are the other ones I just mentioned are the ones that are fantastic, and they're all good for different reasons. They're all good for different reasons in the context of good assets that you could look at being invested in. Okay, again, I'm going to say this as I always say this: don't just be invested in crypto. Put some money over into stocks, into ETF funds. Right here, right now, at these levels, I guarantee you there's bargains going on in the stock market right now. I mean, there absolutely are. If you don't want to buy individual funds, buy some index funds, buy some ETF funds. If you don't want to buy individual stocks, buy some index funds, buy some ETF funds. There's fantastic ones out there that are just they're straightforward. You just buy them, and they do what they do. They track to indexes, or they're ETFs that are made up of different sectors of companies and things of that nature. I don't get paid a penny for recommending this one, but I love Kathy Wood and her company ARC. They've got amazing ETF funds that I really, really am a fan of. So those are all different plays. Again, minimize your risk and just make good choices. Potentially look at maybe some, maybe go a little bit, maybe do a little bit of shopping, not investment advice, and maybe find yourself some other cryptos to diversify into. I've got a video coming here in a little bit where I'm going to recommend some of the top 4 or 5 altcoins, other coins out there as well. All right, see you down the road. We're good. Stay tuned for more updates. Bye.